là cái dằn của tư vậy đó.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to Sapoe live stream showroom.
This is Chandler.
And this is Louis.
And Libby, what are we going to introduce today?
Tonight, actually, for me. Today we are going to introduce one of our, bean to cup coffee machine, which its name is
Aurora.
Aurora.
Yes. Just sounds like a scream of the lion, right?
You guess so. Okay, do you know what is the name from Aurora?
I guess it's from some country from European.
Yes, it is. You're so smart.
Actually, which country?
It's from Italy,
Ah, I see.
And you know why? Because this machine, for the most of the part, we are imported from Italy.
Okay.
That's why we name it as
Aurora.
Yes, it is. Okay, so we will start from the outside appearance, okay?
Okay, no problem.
As we can see here, it's a big glass, big black tempered glass right here.
Okay, let me check. Wow, it's strong,
It's very strong.
Yeah.
And it's very hot. Does your hand hurt?
Yeah, it hurt my hand. Yes.
Yeah, it's a tempered glass right here. So we make the, the front more strength.
Yeah.
And okay, as we can see here is with the small blue screen right here, right?
Yes. Actually, this small blue screen is for us to check the machine information, or when you dispense some kind of drinks, it will show what kind of drinks you are making, and also you can check the machine configuration when you enter into some setting mode.
Yes, exactly. As we can see here, if you can close enough, but I'm not sure. As it's a small dots.
You mean these small dots? I guess they cannot see that clearly. Okay.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3 dots.
Yes, actually there are 3 dots here.
And what does this dots for?
Actually, you see there's 3 dots, right?
Yeah.
And in the left side, there's 1 small dot. This is for this is the mode button. Actually, when you enter into the mode setting mode, and you can press this to change to different item or different number you want to set. And you see these 2 small dots is minus and plus buttons, which for you to adjust the number of that setting. Yes.
Yes, thank you for your explanation. Yes, and as we move on, as we can see here are totally 8 kind of drinks options right here.
Yes, there are 8 options. Actually, it's 7 kind of hot drinks and 1 hot water.
Yeah, 7 kind of hot drinks and 1 hot water. Could you explain what is the 7 kind of hot drinks? What are they?
Of course. The first one is espresso, right?
Espresso.
And the second one is double espresso. And then the americano and cappuccino, and also latte macchiato, and also cafe mocha, and hot chocolate. That's the 7 kind of hot drinks.
I see. And as I can see here, it is also with touch screen or touch button design, right?
Yes, exactly. Yes. Actually, this is a big whole piece of tempered glass, right? So, in order not to, just keep this as a whole piece. So that's why we applied touch button for this machine. So it's very sensitive. You just slightly press it, and you can get the drinks very easily.
I see. It's very sensitive.
Yes.
And as I can see here is a 3 arrow size here. That is for?
That's indicating light for you to dispense hot drinks When you dispense hot drinks like one of these 7 kinds, right? And this will show you the cups. You can put it here, and the drinks will come out from here.
I see. And here is a small steam
Yeah, a
sign,
small
right?
logo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's for the hot water. You put the cup here, and when you want some hot water, this light will on. Yes.
I wonder if I can just try one coffee.
Okay, no problem. Wait for a moment.
Maybe on that way here we have some cups.
Here. You can use that cup, bigger cup. Okay.
I get this is enough for me.
Okay.
Okay, I want some cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Okay.
Or this one, latte.
Okay.
Oh, if we dispense the milk first, right?
Yes, right now it's dispensing the milk first and then the coffee later. I guess 1 cup are not enough for them. No, wait for a moment. It's not finished yet.
Yeah.
As you can see, there's double head for the coffee outlet. Ooh.
Wow.
Sorry, we
Use
just
the wrong
use
cup.
Wrong cup. Yes.
Yeah.
So I asked you to use a bigger cup just now.
Okay, my fault. Well, but it just very, how to say, the aroma is very attractive, right?
Yes.
Because it is the bean to cup one.
Anyway, can you pass us the bigger cup? In a bit.
Yes. I just want to try.
Okay, just wait for a moment. This is too hot, I think. You want to share with me?
Would you like?
Okay.
Maybe this one.
Okay. Cheers.
Wow, it's very.
Wow, tastes very good, you know. Yes, the aroma is very strong, you know.
Yeah. It
And
tastes
also-
good.
Yeah, and also, you know, the creamer is very rich.
As you can see, I'm not sure if you can see the creamer or not.
Yes.
It's very rich.
Yes. I would like to take more.
That's why I like latte, you know, because I do like the milk.
Good. Okay, let's continue, okay?
Sorry, but we have to continue. As we can see here is the, you know, the
cup
holder.
Yes.
This
This
is
is,
for the small cups, right?
yes, just like us, what we do just now.
Yeah. So when we want to use large cups, so
Yeah.
we will lift it up,
Yeah,
right?
just leave it up.
And put
Leave
it right here, right?
Yeah. This time, cappuccino, okay? Or you want to dispense this? Or you just want to show?
I just
Okay.
check it, and I guess this is enough for me.
Oh, okay, okay. Otherwise, you cannot sleep tonight, right?
Yeah, I guess the whole night I will stay
Okay.
up situation.
Okay.
That's a nightmare for me. Okay. Okay, and then we will continue with the drip tray right here. As I can see, it is a metal made drip tray, right?
Yeah, metal made drip tray, and you know the capacity of this drip tray is 1.5 liter.
1.5 liter.
Yes, and what's more, there's a device or a sensor inside the machine on the bottom. And if you insert this machine, insert this drip tray, and then the sensor will sense this drip tray, and it will show you can dispense anything normally. If you take out the drip tray, and it will ask you to put the drip tray back, and then you can dispense normally.
So the sensor will warn you to, or just remind you to put back the drip tray.
Yes.
So that it will work again, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, and as we just finished the front side of this machine,
Okay.
and we will continue with the in the side.
Yes.
As we can see, here is the empty, but actually it's not empty.
Yes.
Bean
The bean hooper.
part.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, just take it out.
Yeah, we open the front door
Open the
first.
front door first.
Yeah, as you can see, the upper part, yes, the upper part of the bean hooper you can see is this much, but you know, just like an ice mountain, right? The upper part also is very big. So the capacity of this bean hooper is 1.2 kilogram.
Yeah, 1.2 kilogram. Chandler, could you please show us the bean hooper?
Yes, of course. Actually, there's a locker here.
Yeah.
When you
It's
need
a locker plate.
Yeah, when you need to take this bean hooper out, you can operate like this.
So I will drag it.
Yeah, drag it, and there's another device that for you to lock this.
It's a plastic kit, right?
Yeah, to lock the outlet.
To
hole
lock
here.
the bean hooper.
Yes,
Just
to
in
lock.
case the bean will not fallen down, right?
Yeah, you see, this is the device.
Maybe we can show in this way.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're so smart.
If
Sorry.
we just take it out,
Yeah, you can take it and
you see,
Yes.
it's just the hole to dispense the
Yeah.
beans, and when we lock it,
Yes.
so you see, it's locked.
Yeah. And then the bean will not falling down.
Yeah. So
Yeah. Let me put it back.
this is the design for our bean hooper.
Yes. Sorry, wait for a moment.
Okay.
Yes. Just like
And-
this.
Yes, it is. And under the bean hooper, what we can see.
It's our grinder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's our grinder. And also the grinder is from,
Italy.
right, that's why. And may I know what's the brand for the grinder?
Actually, it's from Campagnati, Italy. Yes.
Yes. As so far as I know, besides the grinder as well as
The brewer.
Brewer.
Yes, actually
the
the brewer.
brewing system, right?
Yes, the brewer also from this company, Campagnati, Italy.
And also our heating system.
Yeah, our heating system also from Italy, but maybe not the same company.
Yes, exactly. As you can see here, for most of the parts
Yeah.
are from Italy. That's why we name it.
Yes, we name it Aurora.
Just to remind you that it's the specialty of this machine.
Yes, yes.
Okay, just continue with the grinder.
Actually, you see the grinder, right? And there's a adjustment tool kit.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the back side. Which,
Yes.
Yeah, which for you to adjust to finer or rougher powder.
Yeah, exactly. So you can adjust it will grind for finer or coarse
Yes.
if you want. And when it dispenses the coffee bean powders, then it will goes to the
If it goes
brewer.
to our brewer, yes.
Yeah, if it goes to our brewer, and after it's soaked and tamped, and the coffee drink will come out from
Yeah,
this
from
pipe
this pipe, yes.
to here, right? Okay.
And then you see, actually, we got a double head here when dispensing coffee.
What does it use for? Why we need to decide if it's double head?
Actually, you know, some bean cup coffee machine only use one head, right?
Yeah.
If you use double head,
Yeah.
you can get 2 cups at the same time. If you just place 2 cups like this.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
see.
Next to them, yeah.
So if we will also have the same design for this one, right?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. That's great. And this device is only just for the espresso?
No. Each hot drinks, which is coffee based.
Also can be dispensed
Yes.
for 2 cups, right?
Yes.
For the 2 heads. Okay.
But maybe actually it's for espresso or double espresso, because for others like you need hot water or like milk, it only dispenses in one pipe.
Yes, exactly. That's why I want to ask.
Yes.
Okay, and as for here, this is the waste bin, right?
Yeah, this is the waste bin. Yeah.
So may I know the capacity of the waste bin?
Actually, this waste bin, the capacity is 5 liter, and if calculate, for example, espresso, right? It can make like 200 cups.
200 cups. Wow,
Yes.
that's impressive. Okay, and then we move to the right side of the machine.
Yes.
As we can see, here is with 3
Canister.
canisters. Could you please show our audience about the canisters?
Okay, no problem. As you can see, this lid can lift, and it's very easy for you to take this out.
Yeah.
Right? Yes, as you can see, we got this canister. We also use eco-friendly and food-grade material to made of.
Yes.
And also, you see, this is the LFGB mark here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that clearly. This one? Yes,
And
this
that's
one.
F certificate, right?
Yeah, this is the
NSF certificate.
yes, and maybe you know actually this this canister also is very easy to dispatch and clean inside.
Right?
Yes, as you can see, I'm showing you here. It's very easy to dispatch. Yeah, just twist it, take this out, right?
Wow.
And yeah, you can clean the inside.
Yeah,
very
that's
easily.
It's very convenient, especially for when it's used for commercial use.
Yes.
You don't need to dispatch it with tools, right?
Yes.
It's only manually by hand.
Yes, and also the capacity of this canister is
800?
yeah, 800.
800 grams.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is 3 canister, right? The first one is for the milk powder, right? And the second one is for the chocolate powder. And the third one is for decaf powder.
Yeah, decaf powder.
Yes.
Can we change the other powder?
Yes, if you need like sugar or tea powder, it can also replace with this.
Okay. As we can see here with 2 mixing bowls.
Yes. For this mixing bowls, we also use eco-friendly, food-grade material. Yes. And also the mixing motor of this, it's got a very high-speed mixing speed, which is 10,300 RPM per minute.
Yeah, 10,300 RPM per minute. From which, as you can see, can make very creamy milk foam on top of the coffee drinks, as I showed you before, right?
Yes.
Okay, and so I can see here is an additional pipe right here. That is for
the hot water.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly. That is for the separate hot water.
Yes.
And as I can see here is also a switch button right here, on and off.
Yes.
So we press it on to see what is the main menu for the setting, right?
Okay, no problem. Let's close the door. Yeah, just like we mentioned just now, and you can check once you press the setting mode to on, right? And we can check the machine configuration here. Also, you can edit the recipe of the drinks.
Yeah, as we can see here, the first one is we enter the mode for setting, right? And we press it, it shows the
Editor of the recipe.
Yes, this part is majority for the recipe of the all kind of drinks.
Yes.
You can choose
Yes.
or adjust it according to this another two.
Yeah, minus and plus button.
Yeah, another 2 dots.
Dots. Okay.
Right?
Yes. Yes.
And as we can see, the second menu that is for the
sales quantity.
yeah, the drink counter, right?
Yes, yes.
So
Yeah, if you,
You
need
can-
to
yeah.
if you need to check any kind of drink sales quantity or the drink counter,
You
you
just press the
like
drink.
like the mocha, right? And right now we dispense 1 cup.
Yeah. And okay, to the third one, it
That-
is the
It's the water boiler temperature.
the water boiler temperature.
Yes.
Next one,
Next one is the actually this is a basic
Frosty.
a basic temperature that you need to I mean that is a false light.
yeah, the
Yeah.
first line. It means when the temperature is lower than this one,
Yes.
the machine will reheat automatically, right?
Yeah, reheat automatically. Once your temperature lower than this temperature, it will not you cannot dispense anything.
Yeah, this is a false button to make sure you can have the coffee drinks with the certain temperature as the
Yes.
barista requests.
Yes.
Okay, and the next one, it is the
It is automatic auto cleaning when you switch on the machine.
yeah, it's auto cleaning setting for if you make it to clean automatically.
Yes. When
For
you
every day you just press it on, right?
yes.
Okay. For the next step, that is the
That
coin
is the
function.
coin. Yeah, the coin
Yeah.
function. Yeah, right. You can connect with the coin function, and then we will have a coin box. Yeah, just next to the
Yes.
machine.
Yes, exactly. We have this side and additional coin box on the side.
Yes.
So that it can connect with this bean to cup coffee machine when this coin function is on.
Yes.
So you can just use it as a vending machine, right? Okay, for the next one.
The next one is the language choosing. Yeah. Right now we have Chinese and English, these two languages.
Yes, it's for your option for the setting, right? Okay, for the next one.
But the next one is the calibration mode.
Yeah. The calibration is needed for each of the bean to cup
Yeah.
coffee machine, right?
Yes.
That is a base requirement, I guess.
Yes.
So this is all for the setting parts for the main menu.
Yes.
Okay, then we will switch it to the off side.
Yes.
And here I can see is a red button right here.
Yes, unlike our other machine, right? Our other machine is a green button, which is for cleaning. Yeah, but for this machine, we just use this red button as cleaning button.
Yes, exactly. Just long press for
3 seconds.
yeah for 3 seconds. It will clean from the mixing bowl to the type
Yes.
to the pipe automatically.
Yes, with hot water.
Yeah, in this case, it can save your more times, right? And the
Yes.
labor costs
Yes.
for maintenance. And as I can see here is a black and big press button right here
Yes, that's the power. The power button for this machine.
to push the machine on or off, right?
Yes. Actually, in our other machines, the power button is outside, right?
Yeah, for the
Yeah.
normally design,
Yes.
the button will be designed outside of the machine.
Yes.
But why we will design inside?
But actually for this machine, and for the bean to cup coffee machine, maybe the operating is complicated than other machine. So we will keep the operator who can switch on the machine have to they got to use the key to open the door first.
Yeah, then in this you can have the rights
Yes.
for the setting and just all the data you want.
Yes.
If not, in this case, it will properly protect the owner of this machine, right?
Yes. Otherwise, everybody can edit the machine configuration or the recipe. It will be in chaos.
Yes. Okay, and as I can see here, it's a small and black circle right here.
Okay. This is a fuse.
Yeah, this is the position for the use, right?
The fuse, yeah.
Yeah, for fuse, I know. Sorry, just the wrong
It's
pronunciation.
okay. It's okay.
And this part, why we decided inside of here?
Also, you know, actually the fuse is for the safety consideration,
Yes.
right? So that's why we also keep it inside. Yeah, if you need to change it and or you need to unplug it, this guy who has to have the right, yeah, to open this door.
That's why. And I guess it's very convenient for the, maybe engineer or somebody else. It's easy to change it from here.
Yes.
Here is the introduction of this machine.
Yes. Actually, for this machine, you can with the city running water or purified water. You can use the pump.
Okay, just with
Yes.
or purification water.
Yes.
Okay. Our own design bean to cup coffee machine. The pots are from Italy, right?
Yes.
And that's why its name is
Aurora.